everyone. This is Fazal Ur Rahman here from codebook.in. Hope you are doing well in your lives and watching my project videos. So today I brought you a project on sentiment analysis of facial expressions. Okay, we can consider this as emotion extraction from facial data. Okay, this is the landing page of the project, and you can see here the title we have given analysis of facial sentiments. And let me tell you what are the technologies we are using in this project. For front-end development, we are using HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript. For backend programming, we are using Python along with the Django framework, which is the topmost framework in Python to develop web applications. For database, we are using MySQL database. And we have two different types of users in this project. One is administrator and second is the user to analyze the facial sentiment. Let's see the project execution step by step. So first of all, I'll go to user and try to register a new user here. This is the user login page. So let me click on this register link. And I'll register here. Profile picture. And password, let's provide some password. Location, submit. Password must contain 8 characters. It's only, okay. Now let's give the password. Submit. Now registration is completed successfully. Let's try to log in with the same credentials. We have given the username as this and password is this. Let me log in. Your account is not approved yet. So the user, what we have registered just now, his account is in pending state. So administrator have to authorize the account. Let's go to administrator and see what we can do from there. I will try to log in with admin credentials. After login is successful, now you can see here a simple dashboard we have created for administrator where we can see here some number of active users, emotions counts, and number of feedbacks, how many we have. Let's go to user management and check it out in pending users. There is a user here whose account is in pending state. Let's click on this accept button to approve the user account. And the user account is approved. Now we can see it in manage users here. Now next thing, let's try to log out and log in with that user. Now you can see the login is successful. Number of users, how many are there? Total 5. Emotions, how many have been, okay, analysis done, 150. Now here we can see some options like analysis and my profile. Let me show you my profile first here. This is my profile. If I want, I can edit here phone number, profile picture, password, and location. After that, we can click on this update profile button. Next, let's go to analysis and check it out. What analysis we can do from images. So I will capture my image and facial, okay, expression. Then I'll give input to this particular application and it will tell me the sentiment or emotion of the facial data. Okay, let's upload the image from here. Let's click on this angry tool. Okay, this is the image. Preview we are displaying. If you want, we can click on remove to select another image. Let's submit this. Once submitted, our algorithm will execute here. And we can see facial sentiment result is angry. How much angry we can see here? 0.89, which means into 100 if we do 89%, it is predicting that this facial expression is angry. Okay. If we go to our console, here it is. In the console, we can see 89% angry. fear somewhat 0.01, and sad also 0.01. Okay, this is the expression we have extracted dictionary. Now let's upload another image and check. If you want, we can download the image as well. Now you can see the image is being downloaded. Here it is. This is the image. Let's try another. Upload image. Select the picture, and this is quite, we can judge here angry. Let's submit and check our algorithm, what it predicts and what, okay, accuracy. Angry is the result, and we can see here 1.0 into 100% accuracy we are getting here. Okay, this is bounding box for the facial recognition. This is the label, 100% accuracy we got. So our algorithm will work based on the image input, how the image is, whether it's recognizing the complete face, whether the facial data is available completely in that image or not. Based on that, the accuracy will be predicted. If the face is not having the correct close-up angle, then the accuracy might differ here. Let's sign out and check it out what's there in administrator. I log in with admin credentials now. And we have seen here manage users, we have seen. Next, search data. If we go and view data, we can see here how many users have searched there, and this is the user angry result they have got. Okay, 2 times they have searched. Angry is the result they have got here. This is the user. And finally, data analysis. If we see here, graphical representation of the emotions we are getting. Anger is analyzed more, 5 times. Okay, sad, happy, neutral, disgust, fear. These are the 7 different facial sentiment or emotions we have to analyze in this project. So hope you got the project idea, what is the concept, and the algorithm which we are using. I cannot explain you in this video. For a while, this is the, okay, execution and explanation. If you're getting any doubts in the explanation or execution, you can get back to me directly to the number given. You can ping me on WhatsApp as well. So with this, I conclude the project execution. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye for now.